Hey, what's going on? Strat Soldier here for the weekend shift bonus vid. Thank you so much for being here. Man, we had a great show over at the weekend shift over at Safety Group. So awesome, so much fun. Man, it's a mess out here. We got two scenario threes on the week back to back. It is a mess. It is a mess.
Shop in here, folks.
Holy crap. All right, so be careful, be careful. We're going to look at some charts here just a second. We did have a nice 2-2 reversal back up on SPY on the daily. Thank you so much for Apple for having good earnings and kind of like saving the market. All right. But not everything went to the highs. Not everything did. All right. So I want to emphasize, be careful. All right. We're just trading sideways right now. So we do have a hammer on the weekly on SPY, Diamond, QQQ. Be careful. All right. Know what buys and sells look like. Green means buy, red means sell. All right, and so let's look at some charts. Let's do it. This is Trendspider. This is what I use for my charting. Trendspider. If you are looking for a reason to get Trendspider, or you need some charting software, check out the link in the description. That'll get you 25% off of any plan with Trendspider. Okay, you got Trendspider's pretty awesome. You got your charts, you got your full time frame continuity smart checklist right here on the side. You got your news from Benzinga. You got your seasonality and all this really cool stuff here on the sides. Okay, you even got options like unusual options. Unusual options. Let's do it in a new column. What is this thing? That's a new tool. All right, you can see during the day. All right. All right, there's a big trader in here putting a whole bunch of money right here. Why are they doing that? You know what I mean? You could, same thing through here. Everybody's putting a whole bunch of money right here on this call. What are we doing here? You know what I mean? At the money. So you can see that right here. All right. Very cool widget. Very cool. I like to trade with all 4 time frames up just like this. You got the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 60. And you can see red on the month still. Red on the month. There's our 2 scenario threes back to back on the last week's scenario 3. This week scenario 3. That means they bought it up and sold it down, and then it came back up again. Here's your broadening formation on the daily. You do not need a lot of lines. You do not need a ton of lines. You don't. All right. You just need a simple, clear chart that shows test the highs, test the highs, test the lows, test the highs, test the lows, and you are trading reversals within this broadening formation. Look for actionable signals, okay, first, all right? Don't just say, oh, it hit 417, time to start shorting it. It's not what we do. We say, okay, what's going on here? It's the top of the broadening formation. We got a shooter. We got a shooter. That goes in force below 415. There it goes. I'm in. All right? All right, all right. That's how you do it. All right? That's how you do it. Diamonds looks exactly the same thing. Looks exactly the same. I'm sorry. And then QQQ looks exactly the same. A little better. Hit the top of the broadening formation here, which is awesome. This is because of Apple. All right. Hits the top of the broadening formation on the day. Nice 2-2 reversal back up. Goes in force at 318. Ooh, yeah. Get in there. All right. Get in there. What happened to Apple? Let's look at Apple. Apple had good earnings. They're going to do some kind of Apple Bank thing. They're going to give everybody 4.9% on their savings accounts, and the banks aren't doing that. So everybody's like, "Oh, that's great." I don't know if it's a good idea to put all your money into one company. All right, but we will see how that works out. All right, here's our broadening. Let's draw broadening formation on the month for Apple. But it had good earnings, and it gapped up super high, all right? And then just traded sideways, all right? Just traded sideways. Let's draw a broadening formation on the month for Apple. Look at that. Do it on the month. Do it on the month. Super clean charts. Give it to me. What are you doing? Come on, line. There it is. There it is, right there. Bam. All right, you can clearly see. The reversing up. All right, it's trying to take out. It's doing everything it can to take out 160, 176, 176. Target after that is 178. The all-time back to all-time highs is 182. All right, you can see that clearly. Go to the quarterly just for funsies, because you can do that in Trendspider now. 3-2 up. 3-2 up. Look at that. 3-2 up. Not a lot of stocks doing that. Go where the buyers are. Go where the buyers are. Stop trying to... Well, there's no reason why I want to buy way up in here. That's dumb. Is it? Because it's got a lot more room to go. All right? Once it gets up past 182, then you can tell me it's dumb. All right? Are you trying to make money or not? I'm trying to make money. And I ride the trend. All right? I trade the trend. Really close to going outside year. Once it gets above 183.91, boom, outside year Apple. Oh my gosh. But anyway, back to the month. There's our broad information on the month. What's it looking like on the week? I'm going to leave a big screen just for you guys. No actionable signals for next week. You could call that a hammer, but it's really close. Next week's probably going to open up inside because it took this guy out. Bam. Nope. It's got a little bit more. It's got a little bit more to take this guy out. But we're a lot closer to opening up inside week next week. All right. No, we're not. We stopped right here. I'm sorry. We stopped right here. We stopped right here, and we're probably going to get to one. We're more than likely going to get to high probability to get to 176. Okay, 176.64, and then we'll see. Okay, after we take that guy out, after we take that target out, are we going to continue to go through all this? All right. All right. That's what you want to see. That's how you want to be thinking. No actionable signals right now. Does this keep going? That's the question. All right. No actionable signals on the daily. No. Okay. All right. Now, if you do technical analysis, you're going to say this is an island. This is an island. All right. And you would be correct. This is an island, and it's probably going to do whatever it can to gap fill. All right. Do not do any contrarian trading stuff, all right? I want you to see that this price is actually trading down before you start shorting this thing and getting puts. Don't just start shorting it, all right? Don't do that. Look for actionable signals. Do not do that I get in early crap. You will get wrecked. When someone says I get in early, all they're doing is telling me that they take large losses. Sorry. That's what that means, because you're not, instead of just waiting for this thing to go 2-2 reversal back down and then gap and then fill in the gap here. Oh, I'm gonna start shorting it now. But it's going green. It's going to the highs. No, I'm gonna keep shorting it because I know it's gonna gap fill. Okay. You all right? I like to trade what's happening on the charts, and you need to learn how to do that too. Trade what's actually happening on the charts. That's what happened to Apple. Going back to the 60s, I was telling you I didn't do much. It gapped up. I did get in here, 2-2 reversal back up on right here, 2-2 reversal back up around 1230, and got to the highs, hit magnitude here, and then they sold it back off again. I got stopped out. I'm out. All right, donezo. Not worried about it. It was a very, very, very small loss. Okay, so we'll see what's happening with Apple. We'll see how that continues to move. So retrade actionable signals. Okay, don't do that. Get in early stuff. Trade actionable signals. All right. So also, if you are looking for a reason, that's Apple, diamonds, QQQ, all looking the same. Let's go down the sectors. I was gonna start talking about something else, but let's go down to the sectors. Utilities. Looking the same. Could get a 2-2 reversal back up on the week, but it's doji. Retail got a hammer on the week. Retail has a hammer on the week. Let's see if that goes in force. All right. Right now, though, still 2 down on the month. All right. XLE Energies. This is old line. XLE Energies 2 down. No actionable signals for next month. 2-2 reversal back down on the month. XLE. Lower gas prices, I guess. Labu going, try 2-2 reversal back up on the month. We gotta really zoom this in, but 2-1-2 reversal back up at $6.13. Look for anything in Labu, in biotechs. All right, trading to the highs. That's good. Healthcare got doji on the month. Ooh, doji on the month, inside month, but we do have a good setup for a 3-1-2 reversal back up. One above 134, 134.90. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that could be good. Not a lot of magnitude. All right, but it can continue all the way up in here. All right, let's see what they want to do. Maybe this thing will go 2-2 continuation up on the month. Let's see what they do in healthcare. Let's see, XLP with consumer staples. All right, this is cereal. This is, food products, consumer staples. All right. No actionable signals for next week. It's been doing really well, though. It's been doing really well. XLK Tech sector. It is going Momo hammer in force, and it is 2-2 continuation up, and you do have a hammer on next week. What you want to do is find a reversal on the daily to get in on this if this Momo hammer goes in force. Okay, so go look for things in tech. Look for things in tech. All right. All right. That's what's going on in the sectors right now. If you are looking, I got a really cool announcement. If you are trying to figure out, you see me, you know a lot about stocks, or you know what I mean. You don't know a lot about stocks, but you hear a lot about it, cryptocurrency and forex and all these things, and you're interested, but you don't know where to start. Go to, and I'm so happy to say these words, thestratsoldier.com. thestratsoldier.com. All right, I got the link in here in the description, thestratsoldier.com, and what you're going to find there is an ebook, From Zero to Trading. And From Zero to Trading, in that ebook, it's going to tell you, it's going to talk about difference between margin accounts and cash accounts, margin accounts and cash accounts. Okay, it's going to tell you, know your why. You have to know your reason why you're even trading. Okay, that's going to get you through the good days and the bad days. Know your reason why. Okay, it's more than just I want to make money. You know what I mean? It does start there, but know your reason why you're trading. I help you guide through why you even want to even do this. All right, and then I also talk about basic trading psychology. I also talk about which is really important, and also talk about mindset. All right, I talk about how to pick your brokerages. You know what I mean? How to pick a brokerage. I talk about commissions. I talk about all the things. You can Google all that stuff. Okay, but why spend the entire weekend trying to Google all these things when you can just have it all in one ebook? All right, From Zero to Trading. All right, and that comes with a little bonus. All right, it comes with a bonus. So get in there, get that. thestratsoldier.com. I'm also doing webinars. Check that out. That's different than the weekend shift. That's different than what I'm doing here on YouTube. Those webinars are you working with me in a small group environment, up to 10 people. Up to 10 people, because the Army taught me to be a good leader of small group instruction, okay? And that way you get my attention, okay? And I'm going to make sure you know the strat by the end of that night, all right? The whole thing, the whole strat, one night. Get in there, check that out. The next one is May 17th. I'm also doing one-on-one sessions. That's going to be me and you, no one else on the camera, just me and you, all right? And we're going to figure out what's working, what's not working. And we're going to stop the things that are not working, all right? All right? Create winning positions, add to them, defend them with tight stops. That's what we're going to do. And then you got my execution course in there as well. And I'm uploading a new course right now. So I'm providing different ways of learning the strat. Some people need just a book. They just need some people just need how do I get started? All right? That's your ebook. All right. Some people need I just need the information. I'm good at studying on my own. I can go do it on my own. That's where the courses come in. And then some people, they need that one-on-one. All right? Just me and you. Hey, you need to help me. I need a tutor. Also, some people need a group session. They need hey, we're getting together. We're a community, and we're gonna figure this out together. All right, that's what you got there in them webinars. Okay, and that's May 17th. May 17th. Get in there. Don't people are you can't just enroll. You can't enroll in it into you can sign up for it. You can sign up for it. Tell me what you want to learn. But the next step is actually enrolling into it. Okay, signing up for it. Putting your name on the sheet says, yeah, I like this. actually enrolling into it, that's another thing. And once you do that, you're gonna be very happy. We did our very first one on May 3rd, and both of those traders are green. They were green for last week. All right, they did it on Wednesday. Both of them green for this week, and one of those traders had $1,000 day. They had $1,000 week. I'm sorry, they had $1,000 week last week after my work with them. All right, in the group. All right, learn what buys and sells look like. All right, learn what buys and sells look like. Trade what you know to be true. Get in there, thestratsoldier.com. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.